Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this for you. It's a Panasonic ER-GB42 wet and dry shaver. So yeah, this got 20 length settings, and you literally spin that thing and you get it. So it goes from 1mm to 10mm, yeah. And you can go half between basically. So yeah, I've had this before, so I know exactly what length I like here. I like it at 5mm. It's about this. You can have a look. It's like that length, but yeah, I've not used it. My one's broken it, so because I dropped it quite hard. So yeah, so this is a replacement one, but I never recorded it the first time, so I might as well record it this time, I guess. This is the shaver itself. Let's have a look at the box. Sharp cutting, easily handling. This is the best shaver I've used so far, but there's a higher end one. This is, I'll tell you the downside. You have to charge this for 8 hours to get 40 minutes of use. But yeah, I guess you could just leave it on a stand, on the charging stand. But if you're living in a house with loads of people, you won't have that opportunity, I guess, unless your bathroom is big. So yeah, I just have to charge it whenever I find. Okay, so it goes in intervals of 0.5mm. This one says 19 levels of length settings. Okay, up to 50 minutes of cordless trimming. Oh, I don't think this is the exact same one as my old one. My old one was 40 minutes and they had 20 settings. It started off at 0.5mm, so who knows? It might not be the exact same as my one. So yeah, this is rechargeable, easy to wash, easy to clean. I mean, 240 volts. You can use it on power, like straight plugged in, but yeah, this is cordless too. I use the cordless, it's just better. Okay, quick adjust dials. So this is 1mm, as you can see. It's very close. It's like leaving a stubble, near to stubble. 5mm is what I tend to use, and 10mm that length. So what you can do to figure out what length you want, you can start off at the 10mm and go down 0.5mm each time till you get to the length that looks the best for you. Water inlet for easy maintenance. Which bastard touched this? Look how dirty it is. Okay, water inlet for easy maintenance. So what you do is just wash it, clean it, dry it, and then put some oil on the blade, which they should provide. I think they do. So you can do wet or dry with the comb attachment or without it. Precision cutting with a 45-degree angle. That's the comb attachment. So what you do without the comb is you can line your beard with that, which is what I used it for. And for normal shaving, it's not the best. It leaves like a tiny bit of stubble, so I wouldn't use it for that. Just use a normal blade. Okay, there's the charging stand. Let's have a look inside. I got this for 50p. I'm not even kidding, guys. Let me show you. Let me go on my emails and I'll show you. There you go, guys. As you can see, paid by Visa 48p, paid by gift card £22. That gift card was a free, so that was good. And I got employee discount, even though I don't work there anymore. So yeah, that's really good. Also check out this guy, TR Hamza, my boy. He makes good videos. Go check him out. Alright guys, let's open this. Oh wait, what's on here? Yeah, no. Let's have a look. Sorry about the setting, by the way. It's literally 3 AM. I was about to go to sleep, but decided I might as well do this. Since I'm gonna have a shower tomorrow, I might as well use this. Wow. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, that's heavy. Might have to pause it for a second while I pull this out. Alright guys, got the manual. Very thick, probably different languages. Probably have a warranty there. Some yellow sticker. There's the oil I was on about. Got a brush to clean out any hairs. A little protective cover, we don't need that. There's a charger stand with the wire. Yeah. Just let's have a look at it. That is nice, very good quality. Yeah, it's not exactly the same as my other one, so yeah, but this one's very good. Either way, before paying the, what do you call it? Oh wait. So yeah, what was I saying? I bought it for 58p, but the normal price is like 20 something, which is alright. And then here you go. You can switch the settings. Let's have a look at the blades. Is it doing anything? Yeah, it's rising. Can you see? Can you see the black blade rising? So that's 10 millimeters. We should zoom out. 10 millimeters. There you go. That's 1 millimeters. This smells of plastic though. So yeah, there's a charger port. So look on here. Very nice. I like it. Oh my god. Yeah, this ain't as good as mine. Charging time 12 hours for 50 minutes of use. Damn. Okay, so this is gonna be a bit of a pain in the ass for me, as I don't have space for a charger port. I don't even have a charging port in my bathroom. So yeah, I'll just have to leave it somewhere. So yeah, that's gonna be really useful. And you can take this plastic bit off. There you go. So you can use it like that to line up your beard. Might make a video on how to do it with this. Just let me know if you want to see that. There's the oil. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want me to make that video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, subscribe if you haven't already, and bye.